Now we will look at the model flat of 3 BHK configuration, which has a built up area of 1620 SFT and about 1122 SFT of carpet area. So this is the foyer area once you enter the flat, and you will have a dining space once you enter the flat. Towards your right, we have the living room, quite spacious, and behind the living room they have provided the kitchen. This is a little different from the traditional designs. It is a parallel kitchen, and looking at these model flats you can also get ideas for your interiors. Once you open the kitchen door, you will have this utility space where you can install your washing machine and stuff. So next up, we'll get into the bedrooms. There is a small passage. Towards your left, behind the dining area, you have the guest washroom or the common washroom, and parallel to the washroom you have your kids bedroom or the guest bedroom. This is also quite spacious for kids or for guests. So a queen size bed can be accommodated in this one. And next up we have the master bedroom. It has a very spacious washroom along with the super spacious area to place your bed, and the master bedroom comes with a small balcony. You can see this. We have the third bedroom. This is a little bigger than the guest or kids bedroom, which comes in the attached washroom. So overall, the 1620 configuration is quite spacious and pretty much decent for a family of 4. If you are interested in looking for this configuration, you can straight away get in touch with the resales team of Prestige. They'll be more than happy to help you. And this is how the balcony looks for the living room. Quite big, I would say.